I have a John Deere D140 that will not move forward or back. I just removed a drive tire and repaired it, then replaced it. I might have turned the wheel/axle a little when I replaced it.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
About 2 hours.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if possible.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. You have lost the drive key between the wheel and the axle on the tire you removed. Look for a square key about 2 inches long. The wheel is spinning and one tire spinning and axle will stop all drive.
Let me go check the area to make sure that I did not lose the key. Since I was on grass, I will use my magnet.
Okay.
I will need to pull the wheel again to make sure key is there. It may take me a few minutes.
Just raise the wheel, remove the E-clip and see if the tire spins on the axle. You can see the grooves for the key. You can buy a replacement at Auto Supply, 3/16 x 2 inches, or buy a foot of the key and cut one off.
Thank you. That is the problem, no key. Now I just need to find it. Thank you again.
Thanks. Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.